I'm going to cover the QuickBooks Income Tracker. You can get an enormous amount of useful information from QuickBooks reports, especially if you customize them to isolate the precise data you want. Reports included with QuickBooks range from the very simple, like open invoices report, to reports that are exceptionally complex, like trial balance and the profit and loss. Sometimes, especially first thing in the morning as you're planning your day, you just want to cut to the chase and get a quick overview of your company's finances. And that's where the QuickBooks Income Tracker comes in. It doesn't only provide an overview, but it also contains links to related screens where you can do work that's needed. So go up to the customers on your top bar here, and you're going to go down to Income Tracker. That's going to bring you to a simple screen, simple layout. If you've been using QuickBooks for a while, you'll see a framework like this with your own company's data already filled in. But first, let's take a look at this top bar here. There is 5 colored bars here, sometimes there's 6. And each bar represents groups of transactions that either require immediate attention or will at some point in the future. Besides identifying the type of transaction, each block displays the number of transactions involved and their total dollar amount. So there are sales orders, orders that have been entered but have been neither fulfilled nor converted to invoices. You have time and expenses, which are hours that have been recorded for customers but not yet invoiced. You have your open invoices that have been created and sent to customers but no payments have been received. Then you have your overdue, which is open invoices that have passed their due dates. And then you have paid in the last 30 days. Payments that have been received within the last 30 days on invoices. Now sometimes, like I said, there's 5 here, but sometimes there's another bar that's estimates. And the estimates icon will give you the estimates that have been created and shared with customers, but you haven't yet turned those into sales. So that is the other bar that's missing on this screen. Now you can easily click any color. So if you want to see the 59 open invoices, you can click that, and it's going to give you all of the transactions that are open invoices. Now, once you click on a colored icon, you can easily get back to all the transactions in the income tracker by clicking clear and show all, and that'll bring you back to all of the transactions that are displayed up here in these colored bars. You can also modify the toolbar if your company doesn't use all the sales forms or transaction types. And to do so, you're just going to click this gear icon in the top right and uncheck anything you don't use. So if you don't use time and expenses, you can unclick that. Then just press OK and it will change the bars that appear up here. QuickBooks Income Tracker provides a great way to get a quick look at your finances, but it also serves as a sort of launching pad for related activities. So let's go to Open Invoice and let's just highlight a transaction. So we're going to go to Jennifer Herman. We're going to highlight that. Then you can click the down arrow over here and you can receive payment against that invoice. You can print the row or email the row. As mentioned previously, QuickBooks offers numerous reports that can give you more insight about your accounts receivable. If you understand the software's customization tools, you can create reports about your income that will answer questions you may have. If you're unsure what to do, please contact us. The number is 719-371-4030, and we can definitely help you through this process. Just to cover it again, it is the income tracker under customers and income tracker. That brings you to a list of all of your income related transactions, and then you can see an overview of the business income, and you can also highlight transactions in here to get more information on them, receive payment against them. You can also double click on the transaction, and that actually leads you directly to the invoice or sales order or estimate that you are questioning. And that is the QuickBooks income tracker.